even the mayor, the councilor, the barangay captain, di ba, the congressman on logistics. Kasi napakabagal ng Pilipinas. Bakit ba tayo mabagal? Mabagal ng desisyon. Eh paano nakikita ng sakali natin, yung tricycle pa ginagamit natin, jeep pa ang ginagamit natin, di ba? And yet, in this forum, all of you are great people. You have traveled around the world. You have seen how other countries are doing on their logistics. Eh, bakit hindi ba natin magawa? May pera ba tayo? May pera naman tayo eh. Dami natin pera, maniwala kayo. We are in excess of money. As they say, our GDP, our financials, etc. Except kayo tumaas ng export, sa export, 43 na ngayon. 42 na ngayon naman, exporters and OFW. Nagre-rejoice sila kasi instead na 40, ngayon 43. Eh talagang gano'n. You know, the importers are breaking an 3 or 4 years ago. So ngayon, baliktad na. Talagang gano'n ang buhay. Which side will belong? Dapat lang. Nung naandun, sa kabila. Pag nasa kanan, dapat nasa kanan ka. That's where we could do. And I'm so happy that I was invited here for the first time. Di ba? Kasi tanong ko kanina yung Purchasing Association of the Philippines to, tapos pinunta ng supply chain. And this is 45 years ago, di ba? Noong araw, we ran seminars on purchasing management. That was in 1969 to 73. I used to run seminars like this under Philippine Center for Professional Management. Ang opisina namin doon sa dating PhilOil. Dati sa tabi ng Highlight. Yung mga bata dito, hindi ba alam yun? Hindi ba kami lang Mr. Recto? But I'm again so happy seeing new faces here in logistics. And bago na eh, di ba? With all the computers, with all of the technology, with all of the import, blah, blah, blah. Hindi naman tayo nahuhuli sa supply chain. And then I'm so happy you have the educational thing going along. You have your scholarship, and I could be helped to your scholarship. Eh, talagang gano'n. Kaya naman, kaya kayo put up ng organization is to help, and help, and help, di ba? To help the members and to help your countrymen. And who knows, in the world, pag magagaling tayo sa supply chain, lahat ng supply chain practitioners in the world ay mga Pilipino. Makakatutuwa kayo kasi sa Singapore, ang dami doon mga Pilipino noon are nasa supply chain. From Pepsi-Cola, Unilever, Procter & Gamble, you name it. These are run by Filipinos already in Singapore kasi nandun ang regional office. Mga Pinoy na ang nandun. And my advice to the group here is keep on training and training and training. Education is the best way that we could do to them. And if in case you need my help, I will lend my time for you to teach. Diba? Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat.
Thank you very much, Mr. Gino. So the challenge is with us now, how to become entrepreneurs in our own little way and what we can do for our country. So to proceed with our program, I'd like to call